Siri AI might have stolen the spotlight at WWDC 2026, but Apple's quietly turning your iPhone wallet into a VIP travel partner. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Forget boring, static tickets. Thanks to a massive upgrade in iOS 27, your Apple Wallet is getting a major glow up, and Disney World is already jumping on board. Say goodbye to endlessly scrolling through apps while juggling popcorn and stroller handles. Disney is upgrading its popular MagicMobile feature into Apple's brand new enhanced key system. Right now, you can already use your iPhone or Apple Watch to tap into the parks or pay for Mickey ears at the gift shop. But soon, your digital Disney Pass will transform into a living, breathing itinerary that updates in real time. When you tap your pass, you'll instantly see your park reservations, upcoming dining bookings, special after-hours event tickets, and even those coveted lightning lane times. The best part? If a friend or family member changes the plans on their phone, the updates automatically sync right to your wallet. Plus, Smart Location feature means your iPhone will magically pop your pass onto your screen the second you approach the park gates, so you don't have to dig through your phone looking for it. If you don't have a Disney Magic Band wearable, this free upgrade is a total game changer. It turns your iPhone into a real-time vacation sidekick. Disney's also rolling out an AI-powered makeover for its My Disney Experience app to make your bookings a breeze. These exciting changes are dropping later this year alongside iOS 27, and Disney isn't the only one getting in on the fun. Resorts World Las Vegas is also adopting this tech, making it easier for Apple to conquer the travel industry. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.